This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 37, Because with personal pronouns.
Personal pronouns. الضمائر. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects.
And we have talked in details about them in A1, Lesson 1. Because is a subordinating conjunction. It introduces clauses of cause and reason. This means that the clause it introduces is a subordinate clause, which needs a main clause to make it. Because in Arabic is لأن. Let us study the subordinating conjunction because with the personal pronouns. لأنني لأنك لأنك لأنكما لأنكم لأنكن لأنه لأنها لأنهما لأنهم لأنهن In A1, Lesson 37, we learned about because with personal pronouns. In Lesson 38, we will, inshallah, learn about the verb to want with personal pronouns.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.